Hello, children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson from A Pact with the Sun supplementary reader book of Class 6. Lesson 3 The Shepherd's Treasure. First of all, I want to tell you the meaning of shepherd. Shepherd is a person whose job is to take care of sheep and move them from one place to another. Treasure is a collection of precious metals, gems, and other valuable objects. Let us find out what is shepherd's treasure in this story. Some of the points are given here. A poor shepherd once lived in Iran. Though uneducated, he was very wise and helpful. The king decided to meet him in disguise. Today, we will be discussing about these points in this class. Let us read the lesson. In a village in Iran, there once lived a shepherd. He was very poor. He did not have even a small cottage of his own. He had never been to school or learned to read and write, for there were very few schools in those days. Here, cottage means a small house. Here, it is told that once there lived a shepherd in a village in Iran. He was very poor and he did not had even a small house of his own. He had never been to school, so he was uneducated, for there were very few schools in those days. Though poor and uneducated, this shepherd was very wise. He understood people's sorrows and troubles and helped them to face their problems with courage and common sense. Many people came to him for advice. Soon he became famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. The king of that country heard about him and thought of meeting him. Here, the word courage means a moral strength or the quality of mind that enables a person to face difficulty, danger, pain, etc. Advice means to suggest what should be done. Wisdom means the quality of being wise. Here it is told that although this shepherd was very poor and uneducated, he was very wise, having a deep understanding. He helped the people with his common sense and sound advice. Soon he became famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. The king of Iran heard about him and he decided to meet him. Disguised as a shepherd and riding on a mule, one day the king came to the cave where the wise shepherd lived. As soon as the shepherd saw the traveler coming towards the cave, he rose to welcome him. He took the tired traveler inside the cave, gave him water to drink, and a share of his own meager meal. The king rested for the night in the cave and was greatly impressed by the shepherd's hospitality and wise conversation. Disguised means a different appearance in order to conceal identity. Mule means offspring of a donkey or a horse. Meager means part with. Hospitality means friendly and generous reception of guests. Conversation means is an interactive communication of two or more people. The king, dressed as a shepherd, came to meet him in his cave. The shepherd welcomed the traveler, took him inside the cave. The shepherd offered him water and shared his food with him. The traveler stayed in the cave during the night and was impressed by the shepherd's wisdom. Children, we will be discussing about the remaining part of the lesson in the next class.